Here we're going to use a compass and a straight edge to bisect an angle. So you see I have this angle MNO. I'm going to bisect it. And the first step is to take your compass and bring it over. And we want to put the metal point of the compass onto the vertex of the angle. Now we are free to open up this compass as large or as small as we would like to. And once we do, we're going to draw an arc that hits both of the sides of this angle. Now, once we have done that, the second step is to measure the span between the two intersection points. And I'm going to highlight the intersection points right here. I've got an intersection point I've drawn in purple on both sides of the angles. I want to measure that span with my compass. So I put the metal point on one part and I open it until the pencil reaches the distance to the other part. And this is the measurement of that span. And now that we've got the measurement of that span, we want to find where the angle bisector should pass through the interior of the angle. So now I know that someplace in this region there should be an angle bisector that passes through this angle and divides into two equal parts. So I'm going to draw arcs with my compass in this region. So you'll see I have my compass up in this region. I'm going to draw an arc. I know somewhere around here the angle bisector is going to pass. Once I've done that, I'm going to take my compass and move the metal point to the other intersection point. And I'm going to draw another arc. And where those two arcs crossed, that is the intersection point that I'm interested in. That is where I want to draw my angle bisector through. So now I bring my straight edge over. And once I've lined up the straight edge with where I believe the bisector should pass through and with the vertex, I'm going to use my pencil to draw a line through those 2 points. And now that is my angle bisector. So to verify this, I can use a protractor to measure. So we see that when we measure this with our protractor, it looks like we are right around 61 degrees here. And we see that when we measure the entire angle, we are very close to 122 degrees here. I'm just approximating. I'm using digital tools. They're not as precise as the hand tools that you're using. But that is an angle bisector. We're showing that these two angles are congruent. So I can now put my congruent marks in here and say that this is an angle bisector. And I can label this. I can say that segment NP bisects angle MNO. To recap the basic steps, you draw an arc that hits both sides of the angle, then you measure the span between those two intersection points, and then you use it to crisscross in the interior region and find the point where the angle bisector should pass through.